In this video, we will be demonstrating how to rebuild a damaged shaft using a 3D former and Belzona 1321. First, we treated the internal surface of the 3D former with Belzona 9411. The application area was then protected with a layer of tape. The areas adjacent to the repair were treated with Belzona 9411 for easy removal of the 3D former once the application is complete. Next, we remove the tape from the application area and position both parts of the 3D former, securing them with bolts. Belzona 1321 was mixed until a uniform material was achieved. Then we loaded the injection cartridge with Belzona 1321, cut off the tip, and installed the nozzle to assemble the caulk gun. Next, we injected Belzona 1321 and allowed excess product to exude out. The exuded material was then removed and corks were inserted into both the injection and vent ports. Once the product cured, we removed the bolts and the 3D former. We smoothed out the surface of the repair with emery cloth and cleaned the repair area. Our rebuilding solutions for damaged shafts offer safe and simple applications that reduce both hot work and downtime.